Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come to this website. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Okay, any motherboard, any devices, systems, any devices to require driver, you can download easily. Then go to this search button. You can see this is right hand side of website. Just click and then guys enter your model number of your motherboard which is your required, and you can see here B650 Eagle, and then guys hit enter. Click to product. You can so 650 Eagle. Click installations process same. If you have a different version, then click to support. So select your operating system. If your any operating system installations process same, so you can see this is first select Windows, and then you can see this is audio driver. Okay, and click to download. So when you click once now, it will start. You can see here downloading 165 MB. So it is completed. Just single click to open, double click to exe, wait few seconds to complete. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system. Then it will close automatically, so you can close means installed.